What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Today we're going to be stripping down the 1022 so we can get this build started, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so today is the official start of the 1022 build, or 22 build, whichever you want to refer to it as. This is the Ruger, and we are going to dive into this bad boy. So first we're going to start off by doing a quick teardown. Just has a couple of Allen screws in this bad boy, right here on the end. So let's just get going. Obviously, right at the end of the stock here, you'll want to take that bad boy off. There we go. And then it just slides off right there, so you have your end unclamped. And then we're going to take this piece off right here. Obviously, this is a brand new weapon, so it is fairly simple to take apart. There's no kind of debris or rust or any of that fun stuff. Just so you know, as we work on this firearm, there is no ammunition in the area, and obviously in the firearm as well. So before we pop this out, I do want to drop the mag. Oops. And that is just your standard magazine. And obviously, if you saw kind of the start of this video, you'll know that we're not going to use a whole lot of parts. So here we are. We've got this bolt out. We obviously got the clamp off. And then one thing to note is right here, you're going to have to put the safety kind of in between, and then it slides right out. So let me put this down for 1 second, put the stock away. And then here we go. All right, so now we are already down to pretty much the primary parts of this bad boy. So let's keep going as we strip this little guy down. Let me see. I think we'll take the trigger out first. Actually, maybe I will. I'm gonna lay my stock down. Use the factory stock there so I can tap my pins out. Okay. All right. So the front and rear pins are out, and there is the stock trigger. Pretty darn quick and simple, just 2 pins. So the pins reside right there. We popped them out and we're good to go. So one of the next parts is we're gonna pop this, the top receiver out, and as you can see, let me kind of see if I can get it. You have your spring back here. You have your pull. Obviously, all of this stuff is going to be replaced. So what we're going to do, just going to use this little flathead, pop the guide. Okay. And actually, while we're back here doing this, this is real quick. So this is the rear pin right here, and we have that kind of polymer sleeve, and what it's going to do is replace this pin that sits here in the back. So we have a metal sleeve, or a metal pin, and then the polymer sleeve that sits over that. And what that ultimately is going to do is, as this hits back, it's actually going to quiet the sound of the rifle. So take this front clamp off here. Gonna have to get a little sturdier of a screwdriver here. This little dude ain't gonna be enough. So as you can see, we got this guy down. Really, we got the pins out. I gotta go get a different tool, a little bit heavier duty of a screwdriver. Essentially, where we're at with this bad boy is pretty simple. We're gonna pop this bad boy out right here, their top receiver, pop the barrel out, and I think we'll just wait till the next video to do that.